Our group is Group 13, sponsored by the Log Boiler. We were tasked to design a system that can burn crushed pallets and other wood scraps. Currently, the log boiler burns logs and not crushed pallets, which produces a lot of smoke. Wood blocks, when they burn, their combustion temperature is different than that of logs, so the smoke is a lot more than what standard regulations can allow for. Here are some renderings of the machine that we developed, most notably being the dual exhaust system and large 20-foot tall stack. Where our team spent the most amount of time was designing the rocket mode and boiler mode. Boiler mode is a forced oxygen technique where when logs are burning, we force oxygen into the system. On the opposite side, we have the rocket mode. When we dump in crushed pallets, the combustion temperature is going to be much different than logs, so the burn is going to be a lot hotter. To do so, we need to force oxygen in there naturally. So the rocket mode pulls in oxygen if there's a larger fire, and if the fire dies out a little bit, less oxygen will be pulled in. And when the system gets to temperature, the whole thing will shut off, allowing the fire just to sit in a ember state. Some key design features: it needs to take a 6-foot or 60-inch long log and hold a half cord of wood. Surrounding the firebox is a water jacket. This is how a building will be heated with water. The water is boiled and then pumped into a heated space where a heat exchanger will convert the water to forced air heat or in-floor heating. The blast gate is how we determine what log boiler state it is in, whether that be rocket mode or boiler mode. When it is retracted, meaning the blast gate is pulled all the way up, it is in log boiler mode, and when it is extended, forced all the way down, we are in rocket mode. To remove the waste and other nails or biomass, we have a drag chain that is hydraulically controlled, so it will drag along the floor, pulling all the ash out of the system. Some electronics on board, we do have hydraulics involved, so the lid will open up automatically with a remote, as well as is compatible with a cell phone, so you can control the boiler temperature or other design features with your phone via Wi-Fi. Some specifications: we did meet all the specifications tasked by our sponsor. Some changes that we had and other challenges, as we can see on the right-hand side, is the stove that we designed and built with the help of the team over at the Log Boiler. Some next-gen improvements: most are going to revolve around the exhaust system with a turbulent heel coil to break up the laminar flow with the turbulent flow.